Greetings, this is Earthman from earthmansoil.com. God bless you. I hope you're doing well this day. Very excited to announce our new product, Bloom Science, a bloom booster biostimulant for your fruits, flowers, and vegetables. It's an amazing product after many years of a long time of just working on this formula, working on it, trial and error, more success than error. I have to tell you, just improving on improving. And here it is, and it's an amazing product. It's all natural, organic. There's nothing in there that's chemical, and there's no liquid phosphorus and magnesium and potassium overload like a lot of these bloom boosters do, such as Big Bud and Liquid Cool and Fox Farm Trio there. And this is stuff that is natural and good stuff. And what it does, it assists your plant in just doing what it does well, and it helps it to grow and grow big and natural. Now, what is in Bloom? What are you going to get from Bloom using it? Well, these are the things that I have noticed throughout my study of using Bloom on my plants. This is formulated, okay, to help your plants yield a larger fruit, flowers, vegetables. And not only will they be larger in quality, in quantity, and in flavor, and if you have a brix test, you can test the brick level of your product after being done with growing with Bloom, you're going to notice that the brick level is going to be off the chart, loaded with sugars and carbohydrates. And what's in here? Well, there is nanonized NPK and micronutrients. They're in there, except they're just broken down to their molecular basics, and it's done through a natural organic process of microorganisms through vermicomposting. And that is all in there. And so your plant's going to get just an amazing array of different nutrients, nanonized. This doesn't have to have a lot. You don't have to kill it with a ton of stuff. A little bit will go a long ways with a plant, believe me. Also, Bloom will improve the taste of your product, the smell, the terpenes, the color, the shelf life, the quality will be just amazing, because it's not done through chemicals, which is forcing your plant to do things it shouldn't be doing. And there's going to be a sacrifice when you do that, and usually the quality is going to be the sacrifice. And this ain't going to be the case using this product. It helps promote multiple flowering sites. I've noticed that immensely throughout the time I've been experimenting with Bloom, and just a huge amount of large fruit, flowers, buds, vegetables, whatever you're growing. This will promote many flower sites. And it'll be able to support it too, okay? It's not going to just grow a bunch of flower sites and then just leave you hanging. It's going to carry you right to the end. At the end, there's no flush needed. No flush needed. There's no chemicals to flush out, okay? So you don't have to worry about flushing the garbage out like you do with every other type of bloom booster that's on the market. It's easy to use. I mean, it really is. I mean, you take 1 tablespoon of Bloom and you add it to a gallon of water, you shake it up, and then you follow the directions. Either you spray it on the leaves or you add it to the soil. There's going to be both those processes involved in using Bloom, and it's very easy. And you'll see that it really helps. You not have to worry about all that stuff. Just to grow your plants and move on to bigger and better things that you have around your house or in your life. You're going to notice that it's going to have flowers and fruits that are going to have more essential oils and resin and flavors and all this different stuff, and it's going to be just smell wonderful, and it's going to have great terpenes and other potency factors, just a lot of great stuff. And so what's in here? Well, I guess you go to my website and I'll have a link. But you'll see that there's yucca extract in here. There's L-amino acids. There's different type of amino acids that are important in the growth of your plant, the proteins and stuff, the building blocks of your plant. There's tricontanol, a natural product that comes from beehives and from alfalfa, which I get mine from alfalfa meal. And it helps prolong the opening of the stomatas in order for your plant to take in CO2. It's got bioactive humic and fulvic acid in it, not from rocks, but from vermicomposts. And these are bioenergizers. They're going to energize your plant to do incredible things. It's got organic carbon to help build more building blocks for your plant. It's got cytokines, auxins, other plant hormones that are in there that's going to play a part in your plant, triggering those different type of reactions and stuff like that, where it'll help your plant just to thrive and grow naturally. Now, I'm going to leave a link to my website, and I am going to do more videos on Kabloom over the next week or so, and they're going to be short ones about the different ingredients that are in it. But go ahead, go to my website, I challenge you, and look at the ingredients and compare them. And you'll see that some of them are just amazing forerunners. I mean, guys, we are the music makers. We are the dreamers. And together we're going to make incredible plants happen. Willy Wonka type plants, because it's the way God would want it. It's natural and it's the real way, guys. And your plant's true genetics will come out. And I am so excited for you and for us together, because we are on the new frontier of agriculture right here. Biostimulants and microorganisms and different other soil conditioners like biochar and stuff like that. Let's do it together, guys. Let's show that the chemicals, we don't need them. And we don't need liquid fertilizers either, even if they're organic. So God bless you. Check out the link. Thank you, guys.